The headgear or turban is an important part of men's traditional dress. Okay, it is worn in different parts of the country in different styles. In cities and towns, men wear t-shirts, trousers, jeans, and t-shirts. Clothes for special occasions. On special occasions such as weddings and parties, people wear special clothes. Women wear silk saris, salwar kameez with gold and silver jewelry. Men wear suits with ties and sherwanis. Indian brides and grooms from different parts of India dress elaborately in their traditional dresses. Okay, so basically, in your daily wear, you wear simple dresses, but when it is some special occasion, either it is wedding or any birthday party or any kind of party, people try to wear something very, very special and something that is very costly also, isn't it? So women basically wear silk saris or silk salwar kameez and all with gold and silver jewelries. Men generally wear suits, okay, and on that they wear ties and all, or you can see they wear sherwanis. Okay, the Indian brides and grooms from different parts of India dress elaborately in their traditional dresses. So, the different kinds of states have different kinds of dresses for the brides and the bridegrooms. Okay, clothes according to climate. So, we also have clothes according to the climate. As you can see now, the winter is approaching, so everybody has started wearing woolen salwar kameez, ladies, and gents will wear some cotswool shirts and all. Then later, as the winter, the cold will increase, people start wearing sweaters and jackets, mufflers, gloves, and many kind of things to protect themselves, isn't it? So, in India, the clothes we wear depend on where we live, the climate and physical features of that place, right? In some places, the summers are very hot, people prefer wearing cotton clothes. In some places where the winters are very cold, people protect themselves by wearing woolen clothes. Your homework will be to do match the following on page number 83.